Okay, welcome back. Now I'm gonna try to make my own cheap power bank so I can test this diesel heater and of course take it with me on trips, get some heat, and maybe drive the cooler box as well. We'll see. So I bought a battery box, some switches and contacts, and solar panel. So let's see if I can make this work. Okay, now I need to find out where I want the switches and contact and stuff. I bought this type for the diesel liter, and I will use this type for the solar panel contact. We'll see how that will work. But first, I'll put these switches on. Soldering isn't my strongest side, but learning by doing, right? Not beautiful, but it works. Don't laugh. So this is the contact for the diesel heater, and now I'm gonna put it on the lid. holding them together a bit nicer. Tidy up a bit. Yeah. Beautiful? No. Good enough for me? Oh yeah. Okay, one more thing to do. And that's the solar panel stuff. I need to put this somewhere. And this little contact there maybe. Yeah, this one will be inside, I think. Put it like that or something. I think that would be good. What? If it still works. We'll see. And now, final touch. Okay, so this is how it turned out. I think I need to put a switch on that one. Solar control. Just okay. I think this will work fine. Next step is to test this out with a diesel heater and solar panel. New video coming soon.